Hey guys, just making a video here, my first video. We're gonna see if we can use some Permatex form a gasket seal. And we got the nice Permatorque MLS gasket from Felpro. Nice head bolts. Those are probably the only legit thing here I have. Then we got this. I got resurfaced from the shop. Now this is our problem here. Right around these areas, the cylinder wall here, you can probably see a little clean areas right here. It's all, oh, and like there you can kind of see a little blow by maybe. It's all low right there. Right here's all flat, just like these cylinder walls are just lower. I think it's what the problem is that these are steel, I'm pretty sure. And then so when it warps, it gets hot here, and so it picks it up, and this part stays the same. So it bends this and makes these lower. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some of this Permatex around these here, because I don't care really for this car if I get coolant in here, if I get coolant into the oil or oil into the coolant, because I think it'll probably still cool decent amount. So I don't really care about that, and it is my demo car, so this is the best thing to test it on. If it doesn't work, well, I'm just gonna run it till it blows up. You know, these cars, you hear all about them. These ones are the best. They don't ever blow head gaskets. There's never ever problems on them. They don't leak oil, nothing. D17 engines are always the best, so I should work. So let's see. All right, guys, I got it on. I had to go fast because it's gonna dry, but I just put a thin layer on this, and I'm gonna put the gasket, spray the gasket with copper stuff. And I'm gonna put it on, see how it works. All right, so I got spark plugs in here. I didn't have any. Got this all tightened down and torqued down. Got this all tightened down. Also got this on. I was also gonna show for people that have this engine a trick you can do. So if you take these off, under there's that middle bolt. I saw other part of videos, the guys have reached your hand under here, and try to reach it once it's loose, and it's way hard to take it off. You just take these off, you can get it way easier. Also, when you're putting the intake on, make sure the gasket's flipped the right direction, because if it's not, try putting these, it'll fit up fine, except for these bolts right here, that one right there, that one right there. They won't go through, and you have to take it off and do it all over again. But yeah, I should be almost there. Put that cover on, put that on, mount that. I think the next clip will be me test starting it. All right, guys, so we got it all done. Got the things all on, exhaust on, plugged in, everything plugged in. I don't have the power steering on yet, but that's fine. Let's do that in a bit. But let's see if it starts. Hold on. There we go. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's probably not the best right there. Looks like there's a little exhaust leak, but hey, she's running. I'll come back when I see if it's overheating or not. All right, guys, I just got my warranty for a new valve cover gasket, because my old one was looking a little damaged. It had some rips in it, and it was all torn up, and I think that was what was causing some of the smoking on the exhaust. And along with that, I got some oil to do the oil change on it, so that way my oil's not mixed with coolant anymore. I got a brush so I can clean up the gasket surface for this. And then I took a stop at Harbor Freight, got some of this stuff because of the sale they were having. But yeah, just gonna throw it all together, and hopefully she runs, doesn't leak anymore. Hopefully no more head gasket leak. Simple fix. It's not overheating yet. The fan hasn't kicked on yet, but the smoke doesn't seem too promising. I tested it, and it looks like there's some fumes in it, so I don't know. I can't even. I don't know. The fan hasn't even kicked on yet, so I don't even know why that's not kicking on. Hopefully the fan's not broken or something. I don't know. Not overheated yet though, so far so good. But yeah, we'll just keep singing. I think still good. Yeah, still good on coolant. I don't know. Maybe it's burning off oil or something out of it. Who knows? We'll see. It hasn't been drinking any coolant yet. The cap, so I'm kind of scared of it. It's gonna freaking blow up on me. So I'm standing kind of far away, but so far, still hasn't overheated yet. Still doing good. I don't know, we'll see. I should put the cap on. That steam was so hot, burnt the crap out of me. So far, so good. Just praying this thing works. Okay, well, it's kind of steaming out there now. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it some time. We'll give it like a couple more minutes, and then we'll see. I don't know. Maybe I should just call it now. Who knows? It's kind of a little scary. I'll get a couple more minutes, see if it goes up. The fan's kicked on yet, which is kind of worrisome that it doesn't work. So we'll see if that works. But so far nothing's happened. It hasn't got hot yet, so. Let's turn this on though to see if that helps also, just so that, you know, we get some heat. Is it coming out hot? No, it's not. Well, see what it does. It's shaking a lot. We'll see. Guys, I'm coming inside to look at it with the light. And looking at it, the fluid still looks blue after trying to even suck up all of that. And there's so many exhaust fumes coming out. So I don't know what that was. Why he was leaking so much stuff coming out, guys. But I had it going for a bit longer, and it was still chugging along, not overheating at all. I was a little scared of it though, because it started steaming out the top. Yeah, it was really, the coolant was really freaking hot, and I put the cap on and stuff. But I'm gonna conclude that if you do this, for one, be very careful and do it at your own risk. If you do it and it freaking blows up on you, don't come here and sue me, because this isn't really legit. No one's ever recommended me doing this. I think every single person I've asked, if you ask me, mechanics probably says it's a horrible idea, but you know. But if you do it, just watch out, be very careful, you know. Yeah, I can't recommend it at all. It's recommended to go get it. If you're able to find somewhere cheap that can service your head for you, good and everything, I would do it. But my shop down where I'm at, wanted to do $500 just for the head alone, which I could buy a new one for that price. So it's not really worth it for me personally. But if you have somewhere else that may do it for $100 for this, I'd personally just recommend taking it out and doing it if you can. Because I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. I don't know anything about it. This is just like I didn't even test drive it at all yet, so maybe I'll upload a little video in the future test driving and seeing if it overheats or whatever. Because last time I think I had it for quite a bit, like just idling like this, and I took it for a drive and it started overheating. So we'll see. Hopefully it's good though. If you like this video, please subscribe so I can do more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, goodbye.